Mom used to get like mandarin oranges. You remember when we could get Japanese mandarins?
Yeah.
Back then, before the whatever Hiroshima happened.
Hiroshima. Yeah.
I wasn't around for that one,
The
Sharon.
tsunami and the tsunami and all of the stuff.
Remember when I was talking horses and buggies a while ago? Nobody believed me? I told you.
Well, you know, she is, what is it, 140 or something?
120.
120?
Only 120.
Is that what John said?
Wow.
Yeah. Especially the way she talks to me.
Yeah, yeah. Most people think that's just terrible.
And Dave just stays neutral. He's out of it.
Yeah, yeah.
He's a good man.
I stay neutral.
No, he's just as
How
bad.
many years did it take you to learn that? You know, like, shut up.
He's
Don't say a
just
word.
as bad.
I never really learned that part.
He picks on her a lot more than I do.
Oh, yeah?
Yes, I don't even spy on her.
He probably thought when that came, he says, you bought it, you put it together.
I don't. What are you talking about? Do you think I spy on her?
Well, somebody spies on her.
What are you talking about?
Nothing.
What are you doing with that?
Filming.
How do you figure somebody spies on her? If anybody's spying on her, it's probably you. You got her so paranoid, she comes into my room before she goes in. Make sure you tell Lorrie I'm leaving.
I don't want to wake her up at 2 o'clock in the afternoon.
Oh. Oh, do we have naps?
Her.
Oh, Lorrie?
No. Lori doesn't nap until nighttime.
Yeah,
She starts napping about 10 o'clock in her chair.
Lorrie goes, she sits out there and watches TV and sleeps, right? Then about 11, 12 o'clock at night, she wakes up. Sometimes she don't wake up. I just go to bed.
I was watching that.
And she gets up and says, I gotta go to bed. I'm like, well,
Have you heard about the family in the corner house? Oh.
maybe that's why nobody talks to us.
Maybe.
You're weird.
Could have something to do with it.
Rednecks.
Careful. Don't be saying that. You offend people.
Yeah.
Hey, listen, about your mother-in-law, eh?
Yeah.
She bought that? You put it up.
Yeah.
You bought it? You put it up.
Too late now. It's already up, buddy. What, are you going to take it down? I dare ya.
When it first came.
I knew he would do it.
Because I was thinking.
Well, we all wanted grapes.
Well, if Lorrie could say I was thinking, Mama could say I was thinking.
Yeah.
Well,
And you
yeah,
get the results of both of them thinking.
When it got shipped here, it got shipped in 2 boxes. Well,
Shit, what? Oh, shipped. Okay.
Shipped, not shit here. Shipped here. It came in 2 boxes, right? So
Yeah, one side
I
for
said,
each
do you know
box.
how big this sucker's gonna be? Oh, it's not supposed to be that big.
It's dwarf size, right?
Well, it had to be big enough for people to walk under.
And grapes to grow.
And grapes to grow. Where are you going? Did we make you mad? Did we make you sad?
What did I miss?
I don't know. He left.
He thought of something. We don't stop him when he's thinking.
When he's
We just let him go.
He walked away like he was mad. I never saw his face, but
He wasn't mad.
his ass looked annoyed.
His ass always looks annoyed, Roy.
What? What's the problem?
He said you looked annoyed when you walked by. He said I couldn't see his face, but his ass looked annoyed.
My ass always looks annoyed.
That's what I told him.
That's why, right? So there's a sewage leak somewhere.
I cannot.
You
That's
can't
where I
smell
can't
it.
help you.
You can't smell
I
it.
got beat up in the bus that I was driving in Toronto in 1975. They broke my nose, and they never put it back like correctly. Ever since then, I can't. You could put my head in a roast beef cooking in the oven. I couldn't smell nothing.
So
Aw.
you can't taste
I
anything
can't.
either?
No, I can taste, but I just can't smell anything. Roses, nothing.
That's unfortunate.
But you get a whiff of like.
Well, not if you got a
sewage.
friend that farts a lot, you know. But
And that's a bonus,
it's
right?
a bonus, yeah. And Dave, I
Okay,
told
well, I
him to stop
didn't-
that.
Didn't think of it that way, but
Sorry, Dave. I should have told you.
What? Are you farting?
Not right now, but I didn't know to.
It happens, you know.
It's a bodily malfunction.
Okay.
Ta-da!
Dun, 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 dun.
Now we're sitting out in the backyard here with Lorrie, Roy, Mom, farting.
That's what we do to get together.
And we're all different sizes, and it's each a different tube, different note when it comes out.
Feels like helping me with dinner tonight.
Oh, I helped you last night, or the night before.
What do you have planned?
Well, I need somebody to cut up a ham steak into dices and to chop up half an onion.
What do you mean? No.
She can't do it. She did have to feed the cats today.
Wait. Your mom's down to one chore. And that's a chore.
No, it's fine. I'll do it.
I'll do it. I'll cut the ham up. You have ham?
Yeah. It's in the sink.
It's in the sink.
It's a ham. It's all packaged up. It's a ham steak.
It's a ham steak. It just needs to be rinsed off and sliced up. And I'll do the
Now
onion.
we're eating crap out of the sink. Like, oh, geez. Things must really be tough. We got to come out here and graze,
I'll do the onion.
and then we eat.
And then we have a salad. We have to eat that salad from the garden yesterday.
Yeah, did she tell you about that salad? One of us ain't getting any.
Oh yeah.
That's how much salad she's got.
No. Okay. What did we put in this salad? Flowers?
No, well, yes, I put some onion chive flower or some garlic chive flowers in there. What?
Mom looked thrilled on that one.
You don't like garlic?
Yeah.
You don't like garlic chives?
I have no idea. I don't think I've ever had garlic chives.
Well, do you like garlic?
Cooked.
Cooked garlic? You don't like raw garlic?
Not a whole lot.
Well, how do you know? Have you ever had cooked garlic?
I've had cooked garlic, yes.
Or have you ever had raw garlic?
Probably.
Probably isn't the right answer.
It's not something I go after a whole lot.
Do you want to taste it?
No.
Well, you're gonna in the salad. And then it's
Are
got
you
some.
gonna force her?
Yes. We've got some.
You're gonna taste it, Mom.
Some cabbage and some red scarviti cabbage and some bok choy and some butter crunch
And
lettuce
what about your radishes?
and some radishes and some radish greens.
Did your radishes grow that big?
Yeah, actually, you're supposed to pick them when they get to be about an inch big.
Yeah.
These little ones. When you can see about an inch, you're supposed to pick them. So I picked a bunch of them yesterday. And I put them in a salad.
I told you your grandpa liked radish sandwiches.
Somebody else was telling me about radish sandwiches.
He'd
Liz.
take
Was it Liz?
He'd take radish on, butter the bread, put radish on it, salt it, crunch into it. He loved them.
I could see maybe putting a few slices into a sandwich with something else on it.
You could use mayonnaise instead of butter.
You need to get out of here.
Ooh.
What are you doing? That's a butterfly.
That's not a butterfly.
He just went in there. See? On her tomato plant there.
He's pollinating
No, he's laying eggs.
and pollinating
She's laying eggs. Or it.
And-
or whatever
and pollinating.
sexual thing.
There's nothing to pollinate over there, Mom. There has to be a flower first.
There's a flower.
Yeah, but you don't go over there to pollinate a flower that's over there.
There's some flowers over there
Where?
on the strawberries.
I think
Oh,
the hat
yeah,
needs to
that's
be
true.
washed again.
You what?
The hat needs to be worked again. All the salt.
Yeah, it needs to be what?
Washed.
Washed?
Yes?
Spoken like a true Washingtonian.
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 I'm
They're
an
so silly.
Oregonian, not a Washingtonian.
Did you see here who's been watching you?
Who? Oh, that stupid fucking frog. Did you see it?